Hey, ladies and gentlemen, what's happening? My name is Alan with the Contractor License School, Si Hablo Español. So if you have questions in English and Spanish, give us a call. We're here to take care of you. Now, this is a video on how to get a contractor's license, end of the year special for 2025 in Orange, California. And so I want to give you the special look at. Our school is right there on Chapman. We honestly just want to be good neighbors to all those in Orange, Anaheim, and the surrounding area, Santa Ana. You're our neighbors, right? Our school's right there we're in your area. And so we want to throw out a really killer special for these next 2 months. Now, keep in mind, this special ends December 31st. Now, I'm going to go into, in just a minute, what you need to get a contractor's license. But I want to tell you about this special first, and I'm going to give you that data in just a minute. So this special, we want you to know that you're going to get a discount. We're going to beat every school out there, right? So this is important for you to know. When you compare apples to apples, oranges to oranges, we're going to beat them, and really just help you out. And the reason why we're doing this is because, well, a couple reasons. One, we know that the holidays are coming up, Thanksgiving and Christmas, and honestly, these are two of our favorite holidays. It's just a time to be grateful. And if there's one thing we're grateful for, it's being alive, but also grateful for business, grateful for opportunity, grateful for you as contractors, because we are contractors. That's why we're in this process, right? We want to help and bless our peeps, and you're our peeps. And so with that said, I want you to know that maybe things are really super busy over these next two holidays, November, December, and you can't start. That's okay. We got your back. Don't worry about it. You could put a $200 deposit down for November or December, and you don't have to start till January. But the moral of the story is, get that special now so you can start in the new year when things get busy. Hey, if you want to start now in November, December, we got your back. Work classes are open. Let's do this, right? But that's the important thing. Let's get you in and get you rolling. So let me talk briefly then about the 7 really key things you need to know about getting your contractor's license. Let's see if you qualify, right? So number 1, you got to get the right information. We got that. So give us a call, text us, email us. We're going to help you out with that. Number 2 is find a good school. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. There are a lot of great schools out there. We don't believe in ever bashing anybody. That's not our pathway. Our pathway is to honor the big guy upstairs. So, that's what we want to do. And so with that, I would like to say that, why our school? Well, that's the blue ocean. Like when you're out there doing construction, why you? You can't just say, oh, because I'm honest or I'm integrous. Nobody believes that. And statistics show that anybody who says they're honest, they're usually lying by 73% of the time. You know what I mean? So the best thing is definitely never name your business that, right? But here's the thing, right? Why you? Well, we create your very first video for you. Once you get licensed, we're going to create a killer video. So let's say someone calls you up and says, hey, can you come by Friday and come give us a bid? You're like, yeah. So that's 2 days away. So you're like, yeah, would it be okay if I sent you a video of some of my past work? Well, a client's going to be like, yeah. Well, think about that. When they get a killer video that shows the quality of your business, branded your business, boom. You are going to be top of the food chain because nobody else is doing that. No other school even does that for you. And we're not even charging you. It's a part of just us saying thank you for choosing our school. That's it. We're not charging you. We're doing that for you, right? That's actually another reason. That's my why. See, you now want to be a part potentially of our school because we're going to do this for you. And our prices are super competitive. And during this holiday, we're beating everybody, right? So that's one thing. Another thing, and I'm not going to go into all of the bonuses, but one of them is we created a website that competes against Angie's List called HomeProWorks. And it's only for the contractors that graduated our school. So if a person went to another school, sorry. They can't get on that website, right? But hoteliers, restaurateurs, they call us here and there periodically and say, hey, do you have a contractor you could recommend? We tell them, just go to our website and find them right there. You find them, book them, bam. So now you have leads, right? So that's important. So choose a school that's in the battle with you, not just bringing you in, churning you out, and spitting you out, right? Number 3. State requirements. Well, you do have to be over 18. You have to have a valid social security number, and you have to have 4 years of experience. If you got that, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Come on in. We can get you rolling. We got your back, right? The next thing you need to know is number 4, the application. That application can be daunting, but not for you. Why is that? Well, it's a little over 30 pages, and most of that is just like practically a book you have to read that shows you how to fill it out. But you know what? We've done this so long, it's a piece of cake for us. We make this whole process simple and seamless for you. All we want you to really do is just study your study your material, and pass your tests, the ones that we provide for you that are state simulated tests, and you're going to be fine. Read your material, right? We want you to focus on that. We know that life is tough, man. You're out there probably grinding, trying to just keep the money flowing, take care of your family, significant other, all that jazz. We don't want to make it harder for you. We want to make it easier for you, right? So we're going to help you fill out the application. The only thing that you're going to need to do is we're going to give this to you. So we provide it. It's called a certificate of work experience, and you're going to take that and have someone sign that off for you. It could be a contractor, a homeowner, a business associate, someone who's worked at the same construction company you worked at. It could be an architect. There's so many details on that. We'll help you out, right? And that's going to be simple. So that's the application process. Then we send it off, and then you're going to get a test, not a test date, but you're going to get a letter that says, hey, in about 3 weeks, go ahead and fill out. Go to this website and pick your date. You go to the website, you pick your date, boom, it's super simple. And here's the beautiful thing. In the past, people had to go take both tests the same day. That's an 8-hour day. And you have to study and know the material on both tests, both the law and the trade, or the law and business and the trade. That's a lot because you have to pass 125 questions on each one, and each one is 3.5 hours. Skip that. You know what you could do? You could book just the law and business, and you can go take that test, and you can book the trade a month later, 2 months later, whatever you want, right? Doesn't that sound better? And that way you can take a breather, get a little time to relax, and then you can go and then get ready and study and prepare for the trade exam. Hey, I got a secret for you. By the way, we're the only ones that do this because I created it as a former elementary school principal and an educator and a contractor. I did a 15-minute video that you can only get from us because we email it to you on how to pass a multiple choice first try. It's the secrets of passing that test. No other school gives you that. No other school, just us. We created that because we wanted to benefit you and make it super simple for you. Once you pass that, boom, you're going to pass that test super, super simple. I'm not going to give away the secrets. You're going to have to join our school and get it. The other thing is you get that test packet. Once you pass your test, you fill out some basic information. We'll help you with that. You take an open book asbestos test at your home. We have the answers to that, so that makes it simple. And then you take that and you send it off to the state. And then in about 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to get your license in the mail. And then you're ready to go. Now, we've provided a variety of bonuses for you, but here's a killer thing, number 7, that you do want to think about and focus on, and that is BAM, branding, advertising, and marketing. See the shirt? Contractor License School, right? Right here, Riverside, we're ready to rock with you. We're ready to help you with this during this time. And even if the special's over and you get signed up, we're still ready to help you with this stuff, right? But here's the thing. You want to make sure you get your website done, your social media, your branding. You want to get all those details done. If you need our help, we're here for you. If you don't, that's just another arm of what we do in construction, and you would go and see our marketing director, and they would take care of that. If you got someone, more power to you, but we specialize in marketing for contractors, so we do a really good job at that. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure hanging out with you for these last 8 minutes or so. My name is Alan, Contractor License School, Riverside. Come secure your end of the year special. We look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.